Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on NUBIA Neo 3. Let's begin. In order to troubleshoot any kinds of issue with fingerprints, we first need to look at the fingerprint sensor itself, which is located right here. Now, the most important thing is to make sure that it's stayed clean, and you can clean it by using any kind of microfiber cloth like this. And of course, you also want to make sure that your fingers are clean, because if you have any kind of grease or dust or really anything, the fingerprint sensor might not be able to recognize your fingerprint easily. However, if you have already made sure that you're not using your phone with dirty hands, because I think it's general knowledge right now, we can go into the settings and we want to make sure that one thing is enabled. Let's go into our security and privacy here. Let's scroll down, enter device unlock, and go into fingerprint and face unlock. Now we want to input our current PIN or any kind of lock screen, and finally we can head into fingerprint. As you can see, we have my fingerprint. It's named fingerprint 1 because we can actually store up to 5 different fingerprints, and we have our things. Now, if you have this disabled, then this means that you won't have the fingerprint unlock, and yeah, that's kind of stupid. You want to make sure that this is enabled. However, there is one setting that you might have accidentally turned on, and this is unlock method. Now, if we have this set up to something like this, we want to press the power button in order to unlock a screen while the screen is off. So as you can see, if I would lock the screen and I would take my finger, which is like this one, I am doing nothing. The fingerprint sensor just isn't working no matter how hard I try. I need to press it and only then it works. Technically, you can have it enabled. I just don't find it really intuitive. So I will go back into the settings. I will once again re-enter on my PIN, fingerprint, and I will switch from press power button to touch power button. And now our quality of life should be massively improved, hopefully. And of course, lastly, if you still have troubles with your fingerprint sensor, there is a very high chance that you might have, you didn't had dirty fingerprint sensor or finger when you are actually using your phone, but you could have when you were enrolling it. So you can just go into delete. So I will delete. And now you want to go into add fingerprint, and you can just start enrolling your new finger once again. But I'm not going to show you this. I have a different tutorial on how to add a fingerprint. You just want to make sure that this is clean, your fingers are clean, everything is clean and ready to go, and only then start enrolling. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.